Hey guys, welcome back. Just imagine if you guys can put on any dress on any person in the world. And yes, it's possible right now. And today I'm going to share exactly how to achieve this. So, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So this is called WeShop AI. It's an AI e-commerce creative studio, which you can instantly generate high-quality images at fractional costs. They also worked with some major companies like Amazon, eBay. So that's enough to get the idea that this is a trusted platform. You can generate different human AI models, customize models, change outdoor scenes. You can also generate professional-grade product photography with AI in seconds. And there are a lot more others to test anyways. Head over to the main. Click on Try it for free. Simply on bottom, select Register for free. You need to sign up with your Google account so that you can get free credits. And there we go. This is the start page. Here you will get updates, info on improvements, others. On side we have mannequin, model, product, toy, and others. Also, we have some additional options over here. Okay, now let's try with model. Here you can see these are the sample models which are AI generated on different scenarios. Click on New Task. Upload image. Select Edit Mask. Here select some unchanged areas. There are some options like Undo, Reset, Invert. Here the selected areas won't be changed. Done. And next we have 3 options. Text description. You can describe the image you want to generate in any language. You can try out these prompts, and these are a couple of examples. Then we have templates option. So inside of the template option, these are some pre-generated models. Select any model, select prompt. And then these are pre-generated locations. Okay, I will go with this one. Yes, generate. Alright, there we go. Look at it, guys. This is crazy. Oh my god. The background's hairs. I like this one. Okay, let me try with my own image. Select areas to that not to be changed. Choose model style, room theme. And there we go. The whole context got changed except my face. Last one, prompt section. Simply upload image. There are both positive and negative prompts. Here there are a couple of examples. Simply I will copy this one. Yes. Mask areas on image. Generate. And okay, these are the output results. You will notice a lot of differences. Location got changed. Model dress. The images look quite natural and more realistic. And this is mannequin. If you don't have any model, but you only have the dress, then you can go with this one. Select New Task. Upload dress image. Mask the areas of dress completely. Select any model. Select prompt. And then these are pre-generated locations. Okay, I will go with this one. Simply generate. And these are the output results. Here are the before and after images. In the same way, you can add any model to the dress. But if we look at overall the dress, it looks really good. So these are a couple of more examples. Same you can also do with products using this AI. And these are the samples. Simply you can add any of product you want. This is basically a product shooting with AI. You guys can try this a tool for free. And in the free plan, you will get some credits that will generate limited images a month. If you want to generate more, you need to take subscription. Check out the link in description. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.